If you want to manage your stock efficiently and avoid overstocking or shortages, tracking inventory in Xero is a great solution. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to track inventory in Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. Xero allows you to monitor stock levels, costs, and sales in one place. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Business menu. From there, select Products and Services. This is where you will manage your inventory items. Next, create a new inventory item. Click on New Item, then enter details such as item code, name, description, and unit price. Make sure to check the option that says I track this item so Xero can monitor stock levels. After that, enter your opening stock details. Add the quantity you currently have and the cost per unit. This sets the starting point for your inventory tracking. Now, start using inventory in transactions. When you create invoices, select your inventory items, and Xero will automatically reduce stock levels based on sales. Similarly, when you record purchases or bills, stock levels will increase. You can also adjust inventory manually if needed. Go to the item and update quantities to reflect actual stock levels. This is useful when there are discrepancies or stock counts. To monitor your inventory, use reports. Go to the accounting menu and select reports like Inventory Summary or Item Details. These reports help you track stock movement, value, and performance. Make sure to regularly review your inventory to ensure accuracy. Keeping your stock updated helps in better decision making and avoids issues like stockouts. In short, tracking inventory in Xero involves creating items, enabling tracking, recording sales and purchases, adjusting stock, and reviewing reports. Now that you understand the process, start tracking your inventory in Xero and manage your stock more efficiently. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.